Welcome to the Red Taxi Business Experience, a comprehensive platform that simplifies employee transportation across organizations. Getting started is simple. Admins can register their company by entering basic info like company name, size, city, and contact details. A quick OTP verification completes the sign-up. Next, you'll be taken to the account setup page, where you'll configure your company's payment preferences. Red Taxi offers flexible payment options, prepaid, postpaid, both. Enter your company's PAN, GST, and ID details to proceed. After submission, the Red Taxi team will verify your details. After successful verification, you'll be prompted to proceed with your account setup by completing the payment process. Once the payment setup is finalized, enter your company's billing address, which will be used for invoice generation and communication. This completes your account setup. Afterward, the Red Taxi team will upload the signed agreement and your company profile will be fully activated. The Red Taxi Business Portal is your central hub for operations, where admins can manage bookings, groups, users, payment settings, and access reports all in one place. Welcome aboard. You're now ready to manage and streamline your company's travel with Red Taxi. In the profile section, you can manage your account password, set a new one, or change the existing password anytime. For any assistance, use the contact support to submit a support ticket. Simply fill in the required details and click Submit. The Red Taxi team will get back to you shortly. In account settings, the admin can view the company's details along with the registered billing address. Under the co-admin details section, the admin can assign up to 4 co-admins to assist in managing operations. Co-admins have most of the administrative privileges. However, only the primary admin has the authority to assign or remove other admins. To align travel management with your company's internal policies, navigate to the Group section. Click on New Group to create a travel group. Fill in all the mandatory fields during setup, including relevant travel rules and preferences. Once you click Submit, the group is added to your company profile. You can create as many groups as needed, customized to suit different teams or policies. All group settings are fully editable at any time, giving you the flexibility to adjust as your organization grows or changes. Now it's time to add users and assign them to the appropriate groups. Users can be added individually or in bulk. To add an individual user, go to the Add User and select the individual option. Enter all the mandatory details in the form. Click Send Invite to send an invitation to the user. To add users in bulk, under the Add User tab, choose Bulk. Download the provided CSV template and fill in all the required user details. Upload the completed file to the portal. Click Send Invite to invite users to join your company account. With your groups and users set up, you're ready to move on to booking and tracking rides. Red Taxi Corporate offers dual access control for booking rides. First, we check on admin access. Go to the Book a Ride section. Select a user from the list. Only active users will be shown. Check the ride regulation assigned to the users group. Select the trip type, pickup location, time, and cab type. Review the booking details to make sure everything is correct. Click Confirm Ride to complete the booking. Once the booking is confirmed, the user will be notified. All rides can be monitored under the Manage Booking section, categorized as All, Upcoming, In Progress, Completed, Cancelled. You can also view or download invoices for each completed trip. All completed rides and payment details are listed in the Payment section. Prepaid users can recharge their wallets. Postpaid users can pay against the invoices within the due date. In the Reports section, get a complete view of your corporate travel. Track trip trends and spending patterns. Download detailed Excel summaries to support billing and audits. Red Taxi Corporate revolutionizes corporate travel management. From seamless onboarding to effortless booking and real-time tracking, every feature is built to simplify operations, enhance control, and reduce manual effort, so your team can focus on what matters most.